Hello everybody, I'm here again with a math vignette. Today I'm going to teach a kind of a useful skill in science and mathematics. It has to do with the art of manipulating equations until you kind of get what you want. There are two big skills that are involved in doing that. One is multiplying or dividing by 1 and adding 0. But this time we're going to just cover the division and multiplication by 1. So let's begin. Let's take a simple equation. Let's say this. And let's play with it a bit. Let's take it and break it apart. We've got this nice little addition sign. If it was subtraction, same thing. By its properties, we can break it apart, and we can do this. It seems trivial. I mean, the whole idea of dividing and multiplying by 1 is very trivial, but there is some skill. Oops. Let me undo that. There we go. It's kind of like any simple game you learn. Yeah, sure, it's easy. Everyone can do it, but if you do it with skill, you can really show your worth. Okay. What should we do with this? We kind of want to simplify this bottom part. I want to make it easier. Oh, I'm making all these long lines in the bottom with my elbow. Let's see. I'd like to delete that, but I don't want to waste time doing it. Okay. So we're going to multiply by c. Why do I choose multiplying by c? Because I want to get this c out of the denominator. I want to simplify this fraction. I don't want anything complicated looking. Okay. Let's go to it. So I'm going to take c over c and multiply it times this whole thing. I'm going to write it out in as many steps as I can. Well, it just makes it easier if you can see all the steps the first time. Okay, now this c distributes over here. That'll become a c squared. That'll become c times u. This c down under here, multiply times the 1 and becomes c. And c, u over c. The c's will cancel, or that's just multiplying by 1. C over c is 1. And it will get simplifies to just u. Let me take a little side note and just kind of make that clear. 1 plus u over c, because we're going to be doing it twice, so might as well show it. Okay, c times 1, c over there, so c plus c over c times u. And of course, that simplifies. That's multiplying times 1. That's that whole idea. And so we'll get c plus u. Okay, let's show that over here. Okay, c squared plus cu all over. Now remember, we're going to grab this, so I'm just going to write c. I'm going to reverse this. U over c. I'll write it that way. And I think you'll see why here in a minute. It's not critical, but it'll make things clear as we go by. Okay. Now that we've got it written that way, we're gonna, well, let me rewrite it. Let me put the numerator back together. U plus c. Okay, I'm going to point out that we're going to c here, and we're going to c here. So we're going to tease that out. we're going to pull that right out, each of these factors. Here's my c and c. It seems like I'm just undoing what I just did, but you'll see why here in a minute. Okay. And it doesn't matter how you write it, but u plus c. I'm going to write it one more time. C, u plus c. I know it's pedantic, but see, there's that factor. We've got same factors. This is all 1. U plus c over u plus c is 1. So this simplifies to just c. Take a complicated expression and turn it into a very simple one, all by understanding how to divide and multiply by 1. Hope you enjoyed that. Thanks.